Imagine yourself lapha ku Khosi Oloma wing.
If I listen to the station now, there's a certain sound. There's a way that they sound and the way that they do links. Yabo? I don't want to do links like that.
Yeah.
And obviously then my links would be yabo, angifuni usho isibongo mina when I do I don't angifuni usho itsakazelo and no, I'm not saying there's anything wrong. I'm saying I wouldn't want to do it.
Sure.
Yeah, I get you.
You understand? So
A few moments later.
Konke engayithandi njalo kulabantu laba abathanda ukugxeka. Bathi hayi mina ngeke ngikwazi ukusakaza ngilo ngiyibiza ngiyibonga. Ungahlala kanjani ungayibizi ngiyibonga usebenzela umsakazo Ukhozi FM. Kulalela amakhosi sikhuleke endlunkulu lapha sikhuleke kwindlu lamithi amakhosi edla kwezindi ihlahla ngadla kwezimfishane engqondo kumlomo sikhuleke konke amakhosi asendunkulu sikhuleke emabuthweni abathidiyeli bamabutho sikhuleke embalini zezwe uyakhuleka lapha umzukulu kaSikhehle Mthombeni safa ilanga sha yanqofa inkukhu sohlala siyibongela ngoba phela vele angithi singamazulu ya mawungathanda uyeke mawungathanda uyeke